The long history of coffee goes all the way back to the 10th century. It is thought that it was found first in Ethiopia before spreading to the Middle East and then through Europe and the rest of the world. There are many different ways to enjoy coffee, and we're going to explore a few of them here. One of the oldest ways to prepare coffee is the Turkish way. A Turkish coffee requires a special pot called a cezve, which is filled with finely ground coffee and water and simmered, never boiled, over an open flame. This style of coffee is very popular throughout Turkey, the Middle East, and the Balkans. In the 20th century, coffee has become synonymous with Italy. Italian coffee is known throughout the world as they began producing advanced espresso machines in the 1900s. One of the most famous examples of Italian coffee is the cappuccino. The cappuccino is espresso, a little milk, a thick layer of microfoam, and it's often topped with cinnamon. Traditionally, a cappuccino is never drunk after 11 o'clock a.m. in Italy. It is for breakfast only and never after a meal. Another popular coffee option is the Americano. The Americano is simply espresso diluted with water. It is widely believed that this drink came about during World War II when American soldiers wanted something similar to the drip coffee they were used to at home. Coffee then moved on to America, and in the last 10 to 20 years, things like the caramel pumpkin spiced frappuccino, which is espresso, milk, and ice mixed with pumpkin pie spice, caramel, and whipped cream have come into existence. The classic drinks are still popular, but fancier, more complex drinks are becoming the norm around the world. While the chain coffee shops are still popular, there has been a resurgence of artisanal fresh roasted coffee throughout the US and Europe. Coffee shops are once again roasting their own beans, creating classic drinks with organic and fresh ingredients. The classic espresso is making a comeback. We've explained the history of coffee with its many drinks in under 2 minutes using Explain Everything. You too can explain everything. Go to explaineverything.com to find out more.